OPPO F9 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find here and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down and select here the additional settings. Scroll down and choose Backup and Reset. Here let's use the Google Backup. Let's enable this Backup My Data feature. And now you can add the backup account. So let me tap on backup account. The phone is checking info. It's important to have the internet access. Alright, and here you can sign in into the Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account or you can use the existing Google account. In my case, let me use the existing one. Let's tap next. And now let's use a password to confirm signing in. Alright, if you're already, let's choose next right here. Tap I agree to terms of service and privacy policy. And here we've got some Google services, so you can enable here backup to Google Drive. You can also here accept the following agreements. Let me leave enabled backup to Google Drive, and here you've got the information. You will easily restore data or switch phones at any time, and backup includes the apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. Let's tap OK, tap done, and everything went well. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.